we'll guide you through how to find a Google Docs alternative. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the website www.office.com. You'll see a range of Microsoft Office apps there. Look for Microsoft Word Online, which is a fantastic alternative to Google Docs. It's completely free to use and only requires a Microsoft account to get started. If you don't have one, you can sign up directly on the site. Once logged in, click on the Word icon to open a new document. You'll find that Word Online offers many features similar to Google Docs, like real-time collaboration with others, and it also supports a wide range of formats for importing and exporting documents. If you're looking for something a bit different, you might want to check out Zoho Writer. Go to writer.zoho.com, and you'll see that it also provides a free word processing tool, which is part of the larger Zoho suite. Similar to Google Docs, it allows for collaborative editing and has a clean and intuitive interface. One more alternative is OnlyOffice, which you can find at www.onlyoffice.com. This platform offers robust editing tools and is especially great if you're working on document-heavy projects. You can easily integrate it with your existing cloud storage services. Each of these alternatives has unique features that might cater to different needs, so take a moment to explore them and see which one suits you best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.